مدى لله دام. Oh, the white moon rose over us from the valley of Wada, and we owe it to show gratefulness where the call is to Allah. أيها المبعوث فينا جئت بالأمر المطاع، جئت شرفت المدينة، مرحبا يا خير دار. Oh, you who were raised amongst us, coming with a word to be obeyed, you have brought to this city nobleness. Welcome best caller to God's way.